Hey guys, it's Tozero, and as you can see by the title of this video, I have just completed 9 months using Minoxidil. To be honest with you guys, sometimes it can be really annoying having to use Minoxidil. I think what makes it really worse is that I have really long hair. And what you guys are going to see in the comparison pictures that I'll show you guys later is that like my hair has gotten longer. And that's because I'm doing a hair growth video for 2 years. I'm so close to 2 years. So if you do want to see that, make sure that you've subscribed. It just helps me out a lot anyway. And of course, make sure that you're following me on Instagram as well. Obviously, Minoxidil isn't something that's cheap. It's something that can be pretty pricey, and you know, having to use it every single day, as I said, it is something that can be a little bit tricky. Before, in the past, obviously there have been days which I just can't do it at night, or days which I can't do it during the morning or something like that. You know, for whatever reason, once again, I think having long hair really does like, get in the way of that. Putting it before you go to sleep, sometimes, you know, it feels like you can just wear it off in your bed or in your pillow or something. But anyway, here we are. And I want to talk to you guys about the progress. I was obviously skeptical of the process because I feel like so many of these companies, they want to sell you something which is going to make your beard grow because that's something that's desirable, right? Everyone wants to have a nicer beard. If you have a patchier beard, such as myself, like that's something that you really want. So it's something that's natural for people to sell. It just makes sense. I have done other products before, which I'm going to leave a link to it in the description. I've done Copenhagen grooming. I've done that beard growth kit as well. And I did a tutorial, a full guide as to how to use that, what the progress was like and everything like that too. And I've also done a video which is a guide to Minoxidil. If you want to know exactly how to use that, the application and everything, I'm going to leave that down below in the description for you guys. I let my beard grow for the first time in a while now. It's not something that I normally do simply because my beard is not full, but I did it because I wanted to see where there was new hairs. Maybe those are vellus hairs, maybe those are terminal hairs, whatever they are. I just wanted to be able to see them so I could talk about it in this video. So what I'm going to go ahead and do now is I'm going to show you guys the videos from when I just first started using Minoxidil, 3 months into Minoxidil, and finally today, which is 9 months at Minoxidil. Also, if you want to see a video for 1 year using Minoxidil 2, let me know in the comments below so I can make that for you guys. As you guys can see, there seems to have been a big difference this month. But you might say, oh, but Tozero, your facial hair is clearly longer now, so yeah, haha, I got you. You can tell the difference. But the thing is, even with that, you can still see that there is areas which there is completely new terminal hair. You would be able to tell if those hairs were present on the 3 months one or whatever it is, you'd be able to tell because it would be there and you'd be able to see it because you can still see the terminal hairs in these other pictures and videos, even if they are shorter. And there are areas which there's completely new hairs. As I said, here, particularly on my chin, you can tell that like going along here, there's hairs there that were never before. And most importantly, the thing which I think that I noticed the most was particularly on this left side here, where now there is hairs here, which there's never been any hairs there before. Like, this is like the last place which I thought that I'd be getting facial hair at. And there is indeed progress there. This is some of the best progress that I've ever seen with any products in a given time. I mean, this is insane. Like when I did the video analyzing it, I kind of said that, you know, from what I've gathered, people start seeing progress starting from 9 months. So from 9 months onwards, that's when people start seeing progress. And that is actually when I'm seeing progress. It's crazy. And it's not just this as well, but there's obviously on the right side too, just general thickness of the facial hair too. Even if it's not like a crazy beard by now, there has been some progress, even if it's some small progress. And I know this too because I just came back home, I saw my family, and as I said, this is the first time in a while that I haven't shaved, and they noticed that my beard got much thicker. And you know, it's harder for you to gauge because you see yourself every day, but when a family member or a friend or something like that points it out, then you know it's actually working. So yeah, I just wanted to share that update with you guys because I think it's important that you guys see the transparency through these products and you don't get anything that you don't want to get. The only thing that I would say for Minoxidil is if you are going to get it, make sure you are committed to doing at least 9 months, because from 9 months on is when you do see the progress. Maybe 9 months to a year and a half, and then you kind of like phase out the application. Something like that is good. If you guys have any questions, please leave in the comments below. Also let me know what's your experience like with minoxidil, if you do have any. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll speak to you later. Bye.